Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Wenger Viking. And pretty much as with all Wenger Swiss Army knives, this one is a discontinued Swiss Army knife. And the Viking is one of the smaller Wenger knives. Probably, I think the most comparable one to it is the Spartan. I think it's the Spartan. And also, there's like an Evo Grip 10. I'll include links in the description for the Swiss Army Knife wiki page talking about this one for reference, and I'll also include links to the Spartan and the Evo Grip on Amazon if you want to take a look at those. So anyway, as you can see, this is one of the 85mm Wenger Swiss Army knives, and this one has the usual knife blade. And if you want to compare, let me grab, I grabbed this earlier. This is a Victorinox Spartan, which is probably the closest to it. Now, one thing I should note, this Spartan isn't like a stock Spartan. I replaced the scales on this with plus scales, and I also added the micro screwdriver and the pin. So it has tweezers, toothpick, pin, or like writing pen, straight pen, and this. But aside from that, the actual tools on it should be the same, except for the scale tools. So for comparison real quick, let's look at the knife blade. As you can see, there is a little bit of a size difference because this is a 91mm versus the 85. So you can see there's a little bit of difference in blade size. Now, the small blade on these is also very different. You can see the Viking has the very much different shaped blade, and the Victorinox has the more traditional blade. And then we have, I can get it out. This one has the Wenger can opener versus the Victorinox can opener. And then we have the, it's actually a little bit stiff. And then we have the, it's been oiled. Then we have the bottle opener. And the bottle opener also has the screwdriver and the little wire cutter. Now, lastly, the back tools. This one has a corkscrew. And the awl. Get it out. There we go. And the awl. And for comparison, the Victorinox awls are different. As you can see. Oh, and I nipped it on the little thing. Caught the chain. Alright. Now, one of the interesting things is there are no scale tools on the Viking, which is kind of interesting. I mean, I guess it's interesting because I say it's interesting. And I don't want to be repetitive about that, but so you lose out on the scale tools, no tweezers, no toothpick. I don't know. I kind of feel like any Swiss Army knife that doesn't have scale tools is missing out on a thing. So anyway, what do y'all think? It's kind of an older, simpler Wenger, but not bad. So what do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. And if there's any knives you think I should look at, you can also let me know down there. And if you have any questions, you can also include those in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.